guys, I made it. This is I just got off the exit. Now I'm trying to see where I'm gonna go for fuel. Up ahead there's it looks like there's a truck stop, but I'm not really sure. Oh, there is, but I need fuel, or I should go to the truck stop at Petro. Well, then I can turn around. Since I came this far, I think I'm going to the Petro. It look like there are trucks over there, but I'm not quite sure where's the gas station for the trucks. If I'm gonna walk in there and there's no gas, because I'm definitely gonna get fuel right now. We're gonna go see what's up ahead. Hopefully there's parking, and hopefully there is all the pumps are working for fuel. All my dream is like to get fuel and park the truck. Oh, I'm sliding.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Transport Street, and then approaching destination on the right side in 550 feet.
One truck, two truck, three truck. All right, I'm going in. I made it, guys. I made it. I made it. I'm happy. Let's not hope too soon, because my brakes look like it's frozen a bit after a while of driving. We're gonna get diesel. Park this baby. Petro.
Transport Street, and then approaching destination on the right side in 550 feet. In 0.2 miles, make a U-turn if possible.
This is Trucker Buck. We just did the impossible possible. Until then, please don't forget to subscribe. It shows that my work and that time I put in. At the end, it shows that I earned the respect.
Okay, I'm just gonna get one last thing
You all have a
here,
good day.
and we're gonna
Have a
get
nice
rolling, right?
evening.
That's what
Thanks for
we're
watching.
gonna do right now. We're gonna get some flutes, windshield walker flutes. Then we're gonna get rolling. 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 Ha! Just kidding. I'll be right back. Keep an eye on my truck, guys.
Lucky you guys, just sitting there and enjoying the warmth. Whereas some of you are retired, having a nice time. By the time I wait for my little boy to be 21, oh gee, I don't know if I'm gonna last that long. Okay, let's take a look. Ready to go. This is the part 2 of action. Or should I say Action Jackson or Jackson Action? Okay, well, my coffee got cold so fast. I guess I have to need some kind of heater or something here. All right. I'm just looking for a few things here, making sure everything's all together in one piece, and got all my documents and papers already, my wallet, especially my wallet, because a lot of times you move around too much, and when I move around too much, I wouldn't know. Maybe I should clean my windows here. Let me clean my windows. I'll be back. Doesn't that look pretty right in front of us?
This is the southeast, and it ain't nothing near the same.
Looks pretty out there, doesn't it? Oh my God, it's a snow blizzard. It's coming down and it's gonna fall on top of us. And oh my God.
I lived in the Northwest for 5 years. That's a lot different.
Roger that, boy. Let's rock and roll.
Well, it's because it sleeted and rained underneath this snow yesterday and froze. And then it snowed. All that shit in the Northwest is just a little bit drier and a little more traction. Yeah, it is. You got snow. When you get snow up there, you just get snow. I know that's right. I ain't scared. I ain't scared either, Trevor. I'm just smart. No, I'm not a bit scared. Okay, we found smart. Where's the smart ass? I ain't letting somebody else get me into an accident. There you go. Thank you. That's super truck right there. Thank you. Goddamn, Warner, you dumb fuck you.
All right, we're gonna take a look at it ourselves. Let's take a look and see how bad is the roads are. I want to really know what's going on.
What you think?
If these people are just cracking up themselves just to scare the people off, but you know what? I want to see myself. Ha ha ha. Hey, nice day, beautiful day. Love it. I love it.
And he's going to Georgia. He's actually got to have them with him right now. I guess they're still in a state of emergency right now. Georgia's shutting you down if you go in the state without change. They were last night anyway.
I'm glad I didn't go to Georgia. I'm out of Georgia. Hell, I'm going south. And everybody else is going north. Well, let's take a look and see how the roads are. If it's pretty bad, we're gonna go slow. If it is not, then we can go the way we want to go. So we're gonna go to Birmingham, Alabama. It's about 9 o'clock right now, Eastern time. What a beautiful sight. Look at that picture. Gorgeous. Gorgeous sight. Let's take a look at the road. How snowy it is. Well, compared from the last night, what I experienced, and then what I'm looking at right now at this very moment, I see nothing. Literally nothing. There's no snow. So that means we can accelerate as high as we can go to 50, maybe even 60. Well, if the speed limit is 70, I think we can also go all the way to 70. But, well, right now, the roads are open and we're going to get rolling. Well, let's go trucking. Hang on tight, everyone, because you all sit back there and enjoy. Pop a few popcorn in your mouth. Oh, wow. Just happened. Relax, kick your foot up. What happened? Throw the slippers away and enjoy the ride. That just happened. That was like what, 2, 3 already? A car, a couple of cars, a truck, a second truck, and there's another truck right there, the pickup truck right on my left side. You all see that? Well, I do realize that the snow is being lightened up a little bit. That's a good sign. I don't see as much as where I was back there, like what, 40 miles up north. Now it is very cloudy. I do see it's very cloudy, dark, gray, but we have to, you know, we got to keep rolling. We got to make this delivery, make everyone happy. Okay, that's the name of the game. Make everyone happy.
Pretty much, yeah.
this road for 12 miles.
Back there, all the pile up snow and everything. Now there's a huge difference in the scenery because here we are at a Louisiana section, looking good here, pretty sunny, dry, and traffic is moving pretty well. I just got about another 200 miles to drive, but I will not do that fully completion. I'm just gonna leave some space. I'll continue half an hour, 1 hour tomorrow. But until then, this looks good. I'm pretty happy, guys. I mean, really, back there and just, you know, struggling through the snow and everything. I mean, huge difference. I mean, you can't imagine this. Look at that beautiful sun, just like smiling to your face. You know, one day when my son grows up a little bit, I'm going to bring him along with me. Trust me, a lot of kids don't travel cross country, and for them to do that, it will never happen. Only few. Once I think I did see a truck driver had his cute little boy with him. Oh my God, he was so cute and puffy that, you know, he was enjoying with the father. He was so happy, unbelievable. And when my son is like calling him Trucker Buck, yeah, it so sounds cute. I think I'm going to bring him one day with me. We're going to go cross country. I'm talking about real cross country, not just like down to Texas, Mississippi down, and then we're going to go up north and see the Colorado, Missouri, Montana, places like that. But every trip that I'll make at different locations, I will stop, we'll pick up a hobby or something to do, or some kind of special event, or expos, or airplanes, or jet planes, or rodeo rides, or some kind of zoo or museums, things like that. I'm really wondering when he can't wait for him to grow up a little bit more so he can sit along with me and we can travel together, make fun and wrestle and tuggle and, you know, good times. Well, back in the years, my father didn't do that. You know, we had a different life, and here, this is what I do now. So, this might as well just grab it as you while you're on it. That's all.
yep, definitely. I would love to do that. Grab my son and we'll all go together for a ride. And we're going to have a lot of fun together, for sure. Well, right now all I'm considering is we lost about an hour sitting in the traffic. It was a lot of waiting time for an hour. I thought that was not going to happen. I was going to move quickly fast, but now well, you saw the guy right in left of me when he just passed. Up ahead in front of me there was an exit. There was traffic backed up on the highway. Well, he pulled out a stunt actually. What he did was wrong. What he did was when he saw that traffic there, he slowed down so I won't go to the left lane. So basically it's like face to face, you draw the gun and whoever wins, you know, that guy's gonna walk away. But at this time, that's what he did actually. He didn't let me pass. I guess I got different plates, not a Texas plates. So what he did was he did go ahead and slow down. You might have seen that or not. And the guy next to me right now, he's gonna be passing through me right now on my left. He's the one actually, he stopped for me to get